Hi, this is John Sladkus from SOS, and on this video we're going to look at how you can map visit fields to contact fields. Now, why would we want to do that? Well, there's a bunch of reasons. Maybe you want staff to be able to enter critical information from the survey object only, rather than having to skip with some questions on the survey object and others on the contact. You also may want to date stamp for when that information was recorded. Since you're keeping the history of those visits, it will give you that. And in addition, you may want to make it easy to report and view the most recent data collected. And that way, we will have that information stored directly on your contact table object so that organizers can report on the most recent information. It's more in their face, if you will. So mapping visit fields to contact fields allow you to do this. Here are the steps. First, you'll create the fields you want spelled exactly the same in both the contact and visit objects. Next, you'll add those fields to your survey. And then, which this video is about, is mapping the fields from your visit object to the contact object. And finally, of course, you're always going to want to test to make sure everything looks good. Quick note, you want to make sure you do not use any multi-pick list fields because they are currently not supported for this feature. So what you're going to do is open up your Salesforce, and from there you're going to click on the setup icon, and then you're going to type in custom settings. Click on custom settings, select contact visit object mapping and click managed. And from here you can see that we already have these 5 fields that are mapped. You can click on any of them and you'll notice you want to make sure they're active, and you want to make sure that the API name is the same for both the contact object and the field name. So you want to make sure they're the same, and you want to make sure they're active. And if you need to create new ones, you simply click the new button and add those, making sure that they're active, giving you the ability that if down the road you don't want one to be active for a period of time, you can click the inactive button. And you can create a new view to see whether the active static is in there by just clicking active and then choosing the name, the active field, and now you can see directly whether these have been turned on or not. And that is how you go ahead and set up the contact visit object map.